Hello everybody, Bill Platt here, and I'm just going to give you a real quick analysis of the low content creation machine. This software is designed to help you quickly create journals and other similar low content books quickly and on the fly. I've already gone through it. I've already created a couple of books, and a couple of them I'll probably even publish. The basic builder, you can create a book literally in 30 seconds to a minute. It's more or less going through the software here, deciding what you want to do, and then doing it. So let me show you on the sales page. There are two prices on this thing here, and the standard pricing is $37. The pro pricing is $67, I believe. And so with the standard, you just get to use the pre-designed templates and the single page builder. The Pro gives you access to all the other features that are built into the software. And honestly, from what I've seen so far, I would definitely, if you're going to buy this software, I'd definitely buy the Pro version instead of the standard version. So let's take a look at that real quick. So on the standard version, this is what you get. So you got the single page layouts. You can scroll through here and find a design that you probably want to go with. Click on the design. Then you can select your page size. And then you can tell it how many pages that you want to make your book. And then once you've gotten to this point, go ahead and click Go. And it automatically builds a PDF file for you in the layout you just selected. So this is 100 pages with this particular page setup. Now the only issue with this is you cannot, it doesn't allow you any options, even with the Pro version, to put a title page or a copyright page on your book or any blank pages at the end of the book. So you would need to get a hold of some kind of software that allows you either to edit the PDF or to import the PDF into a word processor so you can add to it. And maybe you can set up a second PDF with your title page and copyright page and then merge the two PDFs together. Now, I went ahead and purchased last year a full version of Adobe Acrobat, so I can use that to adapt this to put my own title and copyright page on the book. That's something that you might have to consider yourself, or look for one of the cheaper options, because the full version of Adobe Acrobat was, I think, $400. So not all of you are going to want to do that. So there are other software applications out there that are less expensive, about $10 a month, or such as that will allow you to go ahead and edit your PDF or to merge the PDF with other documents. So that's my only takeaway as a negative on this particular product. So let's go back here. So the single page layouts, the predefined templates are the basic version. If you get the Pro version, you get some additional options here. You got the double page builder, the prompts builder, and the sections builder. Now, the double page builder, I'm just not really keen on this, because we can look at that over on here. So I've built a couple books using this setup, and I'm not keen on the way this came out, because it actually puts all this content on a single page inside the PDF. So I think I'd have to go back and edit it and make it so it covers the two pages properly. But that's something I haven't really messed with just yet. So I'm not keen on the double page layouts, but the single page layouts are just fine. So let's take a look at Prompts Builder first. And with Prompts Builder, you basically get a page layout, and you can upload a particular file. It's probably going to be a text file that has each of your prompts on a single line, and you can drop it in here and then build your book accordingly. You can select your fonts, select your paper size, and then click to continue. So that is the prompts version. And also the sections builder is pretty darn cool if you ask me. So with this I can go in and I can select any of these options for the left. Now if I do it with like this is the left side of the page, and then this is the right side of the page, and so you get to see the way it's laid out. Then you can apply text to this. Maybe we say notes here, and then we do, and the way it's broke down, so there's 1, 2, 3, and 4 on your sections. So since I got full lines here, I will not fill in section 2 text, but then I can do more notes here, and then I can do a checklist here. And then I can select my font, and I'll just go with cookie. Then we'll refresh it, and then you'll see what it looks like. So this is how it's set up. Maybe you don't like the cookie. Let's go back into the Open Sans and click refresh again. And another issue that I don't really like about it is we can select the fonts, but we cannot select the font size. And it looks like I selected the wrong font anyway. So let me go here. Let's see if I can't find, there we go. And we'll do refresh here. And that's not, I don't like that. So we'll try this one here. But again, it's too big. The font size is too big here, so it's a pain in the rump to mess with. See if we can't find just a regular font that will do okay. There we go. Sort of like that. So this is how you set up, and then you come down here to the bottom and you tell it how many pages to create and select your paper size, and then you name your template, and I'll show you why you do that in just a second. We'll do sample 1. So we name the template, and then we can click go. And when we do that, then you've got your 120 page PDF, and this is what every single page looks like, okay? So this part works out well. And then if you go to my templates, then we can see everything you saved. So the one I just created was sample 1. So it should be in here somewhere. There we go. So, oh, it's in alphabetical order. There's my sample 1 right there. So you can come back and you can reuse a particular design as you've set it up. So generally I like the software. It's got some shortcomings. It does some things well, it does other things not so well. But generally, if you can work within the constraints of the software itself, it will allow you to create books quickly. So with this one here, the one I just created, I can put this into my Acrobat editor, add a title and copyright page to it, and publish it. Very literally, I can have my first book up in 30 minutes. And if you have access to other cheap or inexpensive software that allows you to edit your PDF files, or even just merge 2 PDF files together, then you could do the same thing utilizing this software. So it is good software. It does what it's designed to do. And the only limitations I would say that there is it's not designed to do everything just the way I would want it to do it. But nevertheless, it's decent software. Not the most awesome, but it's definitely worth, I'd say it's definitely worth the $67 on the Pro version. But that's going to be up to you to make a call on that. And if you want to go with the cheaper version, the $37, maybe that'll work out for you too, because what you'll get is you won't get any of the builders, but you will get the basic templates right here. So maybe that's enough for you. Maybe that's going to be what you need to start publishing journals quickly. And so this is Bill Platt. Until next time. Oh yeah, and check down below in the description and I will get you a link so that you can buy the software. So thank you very much, Bill Platt.